Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Since we are into the enterprise structure for the assignment, as of now we have successfully completed the definition part, and in my previous video we have started the assignment under the enterprise structure. Today I am going to cover logistic general. To go at the logistic general, we need to type transaction code as a SPRO, then click on the implementation guide. Try to locate enterprise structure, expand the tab, then go to the assignment. Under assignment, as of now, we have completed financial accounting and controlling. Today I am going to cover logistic general here. Okay. Expand the tab, so we can still follow the documentation tab in order to get the right kind of definition, and to make the assignment we can right away execute that particular line. So in this I am going to make the assignment of plant and company code. Okay, so let's find out our plant. So we have RCC1 as a plant. If there is no entry, or maybe you can also see there is a option to make the new entry. So let's click on the new entry and then type your RCC1 as a company code, then RCC1 as a plant as well, because we have created both the plant and company with the same code in order to remember the codes in very easy way. Okay, but in the real scenario it might be possible that you will be having different codes here. Try to hit enter. The moment you see the name of plant and company code appear, that means system has accepted that particular assignment. Now try to save, provide your CR. That's all. So you have done the assignment of company code with the plant. Okay, there will be a n number of interview questions from the assignment area. So the moment you start doing the practice, then you will be knowing it in more better way. For an example, there might be a question along with one company code, how many plants can be assigned, or for one plant how many company code can be assigned, right? So you need to do the practice, and based on the practice only you need to answer. Maybe I can give you a quick example here. So as of now I have created the entry for my RCC1 plant. Okay, so I have assigned the company code as a RCC1 earlier. Now I'll try to assign another company code with the same plant. So let's see system allow or not. You can see plant RCC is already assigned to company code RCC1. So the answer would be one plant can be assigned with the one company code only, but one company code can have multiple plants. In this way you need to understand the SAP and their logic. Okay, so let me cancel this record because I'm not going to make any kind of assignment. Perfect. Go back. Then the next is assign business area to plant, valuation area and division. Since we have not created any business area, but we do have plant, valuation area and division, so let's make the assignment for that. The moment you click over there, then there will be a few tabs which we need to complete. So first would be plant division assignment, then the valuation area division assignment, then the plant valuation area plus division assignment. Okay, so let's try to complete first plant division assignment. Click on the new entry, then try to provide your plant. So my plant is RCC1. What is the next? So next is division. Maybe I can find out with the help of the small the magnifier glass, or if you remember then maybe you can type right away. So I know RO is my division, so try to hit OK. Try to save it simply. So I'm not using any kind of business area here. I have just assigned plant with the division. Go one step back, then try to assign valuation area with the division. Same process, you need to open it. Valuation area is your plant only. Then type the RO as a your division. Try to save the record. That's all. You have done the assignment of valuation area plus division. Now go one step back, then try to find out the last one. Last we have already completed RCC1 with RO. RO is my division, which is already got completed. So in this way you can make the assignment under logistic general. Now the last step is data comparison with sales, plant, valuation area, division, business area. So we haven't created business area, but let me explore what exactly this mean. So I can say all the entries already exist, no update. So that means system have already recognized the input, and we are good to go. So with that, I have completed my logistic general as well. So please do the practice. In case if you have any question, then please feel free to connect with me over the email, or you can also use the chat section as well. Till the time, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.